guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have something very fun for you guys. It's gonna be my baby girl's first haul here on my channel. I wanted to show you guys a few things that I've been getting for her and a few things that my mom got as well so far. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you because I'm so excited about what I found, and she's got like some really cute little onesies, and I just want to share with you guys. So the first things I'm going to show you guys is from Target, and a lot of it is from the Cat and Jack clothing line. They have some really cute kids clothing, so pretty much all of her stuff that I got from there is by that brand. So first I'm going to show you guys these little socks that I got. These are actually by Carter's though. These aren't the Cat and Jack. I got these cute little socks for her. This little onesie here. A lot of these onesies that I got are newborn, or either newborn or 0 to 3 months. I'm probably gonna start buying just more 0 to 3 months. Like honestly, I really don't know what size I really need to be getting like right now, but I just kind of been doing some of 0 to 3 months and newborn. Another newborn onesie. It says little but fierce, which I'm pretty sure she's gonna be. She's already been pretty fierce in my belly. She's been kicking me a lot more lately. And this one says, tiny happy human. Not like you guys can read this. I'm reading it to you like y'all can't read, but you know, whatever. This one is by Carter's, but oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this? Like, I want to get like some little sandals to go. I mean, I know she can't walk it, but I just feel like she needs to have some kind of little sandals to go with her outfits. But her dad thinks like I'm doing too much. He's like, you're not gonna find no shoes that she can wear, but I feel like I'm gonna look online. I feel like I can find some cute little sandals she can just put on, you know, for pictures anyway. But I got these little simple onesies. Now these I got, I think, are 0 to 3. So these are a little bit bigger. This one right here is my absolute favorite piece that I have bought for her so far. Oh my gosh, it's like a little jumpsuit. Now this is by the Cat and Jack line. I got this one in the 0 to 3 months. But look at it. Oh my gosh. Like, this is gonna be so cute on her. Like, I cannot wait. Like, y'all have no idea how excited I am. Now this I got at Macy's. This was like on sale. I think it was like $4. They had like a little sale going on, so I got that. It's like little shorts, little romper. Oh my god. I want to show you guys some stuff that that we kind of picked out while we were just out and about shopping. I think I featured that in one of my other vlogs when we were out baby shopping and stuff. This is some of the things that we got when we were doing that. This one is from Ross here. So cute, a little romper. Now this one is 3 months, so when she gets like a little bit bigger. Just got some little simple little socks here, because you can never have enough of those. And then we got these little cute little booties. Adorable. Now I'm pretty sure it will go with some things that I've gotten or some things she'll be getting at the baby shower. It's just like a little simple little onesie. It's got like a little tutu on it like that. And I'm also going to be making her some tutu skirts as well to go with some of the onesies that I've already purchased. And we also got this blanket on sale, but it's super soft, and I'm thinking about getting it like monogrammed because it's nice. And we got it on clearance. So yeah, I think I want to get this monogram. And lastly, I'm going to show you a couple things that my mom has gotten for her. And my dad has gotten some stuff, but he doesn't live in town. But yeah, I'll insert a picture of what he's bought so far. And he said he's still buying stuff right now. So yeah, she's about to be like extra spoiled. First, I'll start off with these little washcloths that my mom got. I think she got these from Dollar General. I don't really know where she got these. Little blanket and neck pillow set here. I also got these little receiving blankets that I could probably swaddle her in, I'm thinking. Because they're kind of like the material of the ones that we did at my birthing class. So I think I should be able to swaddle her in these. After she got this other outfit, but I'm not sure she's gonna be able to wear it because it's kind of more of a fall outfit, and I think she's gonna be a little bit too big by the time she's able to wear it, but it's still really cute. But this is little Parisian themed outfit here. So that's all I have for you guys. Not a whole lot. I've been getting a couple things here and there because I know that I'm going to be getting a lot of things at my baby shower. So I don't want to overdo it. You know, I just want to wait and see what we get, and then we go from there. But yeah, these are the things that I've been collecting so far. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll probably be doing my own haul soon because I've been buying some stuff for spring. Don't forget to check me out on my blog. I have some outfit posts over there, some new outfit posts. This one that I'm wearing is going to be on my blog. So go ahead and check the description box below and check that out. Also, don't forget to check out my other social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.